When adding an official function expense to an expense report, a list of attendees can be added to the expense. Sometimes a list of attendees is required. A list of attendees must be added to the expense if the total cost of the official function is more than $500, or if the per attendee cost of the official function is more than $85, or if there is alcohol in any dollar amount. Check with your department, though, to see if a list of attendees is required at other times. There are 4 expense types available for official functions: official function with up to 10 attendees, official function with alcohol and up to 10 attendees, large official function with more than 10 attendees, and large official function with alcohol and more than 10 attendees. The expense type you select determines what information is needed. Let's take a look at the official function up to 10 attendees expense type. For up to 10 attendees, each attendee must be individually listed. To do this, click the New Attendee button, select the attendee type, and enter the individual, starting with last name. Click the Save and Add Another button to continue adding individual attendees. Then, click Save to add the last attendee and return to the expense. Each attendee is now listed under the Attendees section. Concur automatically calculates the cost per attendee by dividing the number of attendees into the total amount of the expense. Now let's take a look at the official function more than 10 attendees expense type. For more than 10 attendees, you can list them in groups, for example, 29 staff members. To do this, click the New Attendee button, select the plural form of the attendee type, and enter the number of individuals in attendance for that group. Then click Save. Concur doesn't automatically calculate the cost per attendee for this expense type. Instead, there is a field above the Attendees section for you to enter it. When entering official functions with alcohol, you also must calculate and enter the alcohol cost per attendee. Remember, your department must have the right speed type to be able to buy alcohol. Once you add an attendee to an expense, it gets saved to your Concur profile for quick entry in the future. Click the Favorites button for your list of attendees you had previously entered. You can also click the Advanced Search button to search for attendees you had previously entered and add them to an expense. That concludes our video example of adding attendees to official function expenses. Check out the links below this video for additional resources on this topic. Thanks for watching.